the administrator can control the operation performed by the user in the simplified loader template. This feature is implemented using the allowed and disallowed operations preferences. The setup of the preferences is performed centrally in the lookup type associated with the template. Based on the setup, the user can perform only selected operations. In case the user performs an operation restricted by the administrator, they receive an error message in the Excel template. To set up allowed and disallowed operations preferences, navigate to the admin panel and go to the Controls section. Select the feature Allowed Operations. Select an operation which the administrator wants the user to perform. Review the instructions from the instruction box. For better readability, select all the text, copy it, and paste it into Notepad. To implement this control, navigate to the Oracle Fusion. Under the Setup and Maintenance option, search for the Manage Common Lookups task. Query the lookup type associated with the template. In the description field, enter the preference value for allowed operations as displayed in the Instructions field in the admin panel. To allow multiple operations, enter multiple comma-separated operations. In this example, I am allowing all users to only perform create invoice and update invoice operations. Therefore, I enter the preference value as. Save your changes in the lookup type form. For changes to take effect, please log in again in the simplified loader Excel template. I will now validate the control in Excel. I entered the details of an invoice transaction. I will click on the Create Invoice operation. This operation is completed successfully because it was an allowed operation. I will now click on the Delete Invoice operation. Notice the error message mentioning that the administrator restricts the Delete Invoice operation. Clicking OK will close the pop-up window, and the operation will cancel. The same setup and error message applies to the disallowed operation. In disallowed operation control, the administrator specifies the operation they want the user not to use.